Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to check your inbox on TikTok, how to check if anybody have messaged you, or how you can also message someone from your followers. So let's dive into our TikTok. We open our TikTok here, another TikTok interface here now.
Hello everyone, I'm from China. Let me scratch all of the code for you. Okay, this is Steam gift card Steam. Okay.
And this is it. Let me see. But also because this is the first time we're creating our TikTok, so we did not have any messages yet. So if I wanted to save okay, let's say I wanted to message this person here. Now you can see this is it. This is the interface. You just click on the messages here. You can use sticker. You can do anything here. Just say I and just send the person message. You can see there's a lot of stickers here that you can use. You can just say I, click on this, and you can just, oh, this is automatically it has sent. So if this person follow me back now, I'm going to see that the message was read, and she also will able to message me back. So you are able to see the inbox on the messages of those that followed you and those you are also following. So if you're not following anybody and they did not follow you back, you will not be able to send them message or check their messages. So you must make sure that the person you follow also followed you back before you send the person a message. That is when you'll be able to read a message, and then you will also be able to read your messages. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment for any other thing you wanted to know more about your TikTok. I'll get it covered.